Hello students, welcome to the first video of class 8 science chapter 13 sound. Students, in this topic we have to study about how sound is produced. So before we start our topic, there are some precautions for you. The battle of COVID-19 is still not over, and this can be won together. We can do it. All we need to take some basic precautions. Always wear your mask properly. Don't touch your eyes and nose and mouth unnecessarily. Wash your hands with soap more frequently for about 20 seconds. Avoid participating in large or social gathering. Now let us start with our topic, that is sound. The sensation felt by our ears is called sound. It is also a form of energy which makes us hear. Each sound is special to the object which produces it. Next is sound is produced by vibrating objects. Sound is produced when an object vibrates. In some cases, the vibration of sound producing objects are quite large, which we can see with our eyes. In some cases, the vibration of sound producing objects are quite small, that we cannot see them easily. Now next topic is how sound can be produced. So sound can be produced by following methods. First is by vibrating string, as in sitar. Sitar is a musical instrument. It has many strings. If we plug the string of a sitar in the middle, the sitar makes sound. If we not put our fingers gently on the sitar string, we can feel the string vibrating. Thus, sound is produced when a sitar string vibrates. Next is by vibrating air column, as in flute. If we blow across the mouth of an empty flute, then the whistling sound is produced. This sound is produced by vibration of air column present in flute. Thus, sound is produced when air column enclosed in a flute vibrates. Next is by vibrating membrane, as in tabla. If we hit the stressed membrane of tabla, the membrane starts vibrating and produces a sound. Now if we put a few small pebbles on the membrane of this sound producing tabla, the pebbles will start jumping up and down, showing that tabla membrane is vibrating while producing a sound. The sound is produced when membrane of tabla vibrates. Next is by vibrating plates, as in bicycle bell. When we ring a bicycle bell and touch it gently with our fingers, we will find that ringing bicycle bell which is producing a sound is shaking back and forth continuously. We say that the bicycle bell is vibrating. Now if we hold the ringing bicycle bell tightly with our hands, it stops vibrating and the sound also stop coming. From this, we conclude that sound is produced by vibrating bicycle bell. It's time to revise what we have learned today. Your first question is, sound usually travels through which medium to reach our ears? Option A, air. Option B, water. Option C, wood. And option D, asbestos. And your correct answer is option A, air. Option second is, what is sound? Option A, sound is a type of feeling. Option B, sound is the type of sensation. Option C, sound is a kind of waves which gives us sense of hearing. Option D, sound is the type of energy. And the correct answer is option C, sound is the kind of waves which gives us sense of hearing. Question third, which of the following statements are correct? Option A, sound is produced by vibration. Option B, sound requires a medium for propagation. Option C, light and sound both require a medium for propagation. Option D, sound travels slower than light. And the correct option is option D, first, second and fourth are correct options. Question 4. Which of the following mode is utilized in the production of sound by flute? Option A, vibrating plates. Option B, vibrating string. Option C, vibrating air columns. Option D, vibrating membranes. And the correct answer is option C, vibrating air columns. Practice makes perfect. So students, it's time to practice, and your practice homework are on your screen. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.